I'll look after it if you don't want it.
Turn the fucking plumber.
Thank you.
You're so cute. But what was its name?
Gertrude.
Yeah, Gertrude. Say hi to the camera. To rescue. Oh, fuck's sake. Say hi.
What is this Diddy blood doing on a calculator? What is
Wait a minute, just get there. Well, is coffee too strong? Is it?
Huh?
It's
Right.
tripping.
Legit tripping.
Legit tripping. Here's a baby lover to look through the thing. He is, oh, she, well, it is adorable. It's eating its own shit. But still, the thing is
I
adorable.
think it's hungry for something else, though, because it does not like those seeds, and it keeps munching my fingers.
Probably think you think is a worm or some shit. Yeah, dang, that's adorable. It's got a booty. Booty tooty. That thing is adorable. Bye bye, coffee.